I hate this school. No one gets me.
You're a weirdo. It's not their fault. Wait till you get to high school. You'll find your people. Derek likes high school.
Derek likes pushing the button in elevators.
Well, you're more complicated than your brother. You're an artist like me.
But Derek's popular. You gave Derek a popular name. You actually gave me a name with no value.
Les.
If Dirt were a name, you would have called me Dirt.
Nice. Clever and dramatic. You'll be happy too. It's inevitable.
Were you popular in middle school?
5 people are popular in middle school, Dirt. I already knew I wanted to produce shows on Broadway when I was your age. Who wants to do that in middle school? Talk about weirdos.
Does it bother you it never happened?
Things change on a dime in show business. It can still happen, you'll see.